Hey, what is going on, everybody? It's Carl here, and today we are doing something a little different. If you guys followed me on TikTok, you would have seen I purchased this 14-foot fishing boat that we're probably going to turn into a mini bass boat. You've seen that trend, I'm sure, and that's what we're going to do. So the reason I bought this because the price was right, and it came with a 4-stroke Mercury 9.9 horsepower motor, and then came with the trolling motor and obviously boat and trailer. All the other stuff it didn't come with. I guess a set of oars it came with too, but it was really cheap, and I said, why not? And as you can see, they've kind of started to do the bass boat deal like I want to do, but it's a little in rough shape. Obviously it's been painted twice, paint's flaking off, so we're gonna redo that. We'll probably coat the inside, like your anti-slip grip kind of deal. So, but I think I'm gonna use the whole, like the platform like they did here. I think I'm gonna go up to here, but we're gonna do it a little better with better storage, because they only had a hole for storage here, but they didn't utilize this whole area. So we're going to make it a little different, but this is a good starting point, and it's going to be fun. So first thing we're going to do is I got to get this all cleaned out, and then we're going to get this up to the upper garage, and then we're going to start to take off the platform and kind of get it prepped up for next spring is when I'm going to start working on this. So you'll start to see this, time and time again. This isn't just going to be something that's going to be completed in a week. It's going to be over time, just because I'm not up here all the time to do it, So, but this should be fun. It's a little different than working on cars the entire time. So yeah, let's do it. Alrighty, so we got the boat up into the upper garage, and we took off the platform, got it all cleaned up, and this is what we were left with. So as you can see, this platform, probably mainly where they were standing on it, the previous owners were standing on it. Obviously it broke because these seats aren't supported by the bottom at all. So what I'm thinking is we're going to take all 4 seats out, and then we just have a blank canvas where we can do what we want with the inside. We can design it how we want to make it, and I think that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to try to take out the seats, and they're pretty much going to the scrap yard. And I think we'll take off this seat. We'll save this seat though. You can always use that on other boats or whatever. But yeah, all 4 aluminum seats, like seat platforms itself. So I think we're going to take them all out, and we're just going to start with a blank canvas on what we want to do. So I'm going to do that, and I'll get back to you. Well, I got 2 junky seats out, so we're almost there. I'm almost done with this one. I got this side already done. I had to crack open the grinder wheel because I couldn't. Some of these bolts and nuts you just can't undo because they're so rusty. So grinding away we are. But yep, we're getting there. This one's almost out too. I think there was just 2 screws left holding that one in place. But yeah, look at these things. The wood's all rotted. It's just, yeah, these are all junky seats. So all right, I'm gonna finish what I'm doing here. We got every seat out, and this is a good starting point for next year, when we're pretty much, I've decided, since we've taken the seats out because they were junky, we're gonna build our own custom frame and everything inside. And we can have a layout that I want for fishing. So obviously the seats were part of the structure. You could shake the boat and you can see it twist a little bit. So my thoughts is, since I have an aluminum welder, we can buy aluminum square tubing, and we can start welding in a nice frame. So this should be stronger than, it should be stronger when it's done than the seats that were in here, because the seats weren't really doing much. They were a little bit of structure, but not much. They were just tying the sides in. But yeah, with a custom aluminum tubing frame, it should be pretty sturdy. And yeah, then we can do a layout how we want. And yeah, I think this is a good stopping point for right now. I don't know the next time I'll touch this, probably be springtime. But I appreciate you guys watching, and stay up to date. Maybe I'll take these brackets off one day for you or something. And, you know, the only thing is they're riveted on from the outside. So that's going to be another thing is once you take those rivets out, you're going to have to weld up the holes or put a rivet in and just, you know what I mean? It's just so, I don't know. There's a million things we could do. So, but yeah, this is a good starting point. Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.